Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through how I curl my hair. I have quite fine hair, it's very thin, so it's actually pretty fast. It's pretty easy for me. This is my natural hair. I washed it and partly blow dried it yesterday, and I put some oils in it and stuff. I already started off by popping in some RPR Protect My Hair Heat protection spray. It actually smells really nice, that stuff. I've had that for ages, so I hope they still sell it. It may be in a different bottle now, but yeah, I think it works really well. I'm just going to start by brushing through my hair. Usually I start on my left side and I pop the other half of my hair in a scrunchie just to keep it out of the way. And then I have a little hair clip as well. Hair clip. Usually I start at the back of my hair and work my way forward, and I try and do it like go from the bottom part and then like layer it. So I'm going to grab a chunk of hair. That'll do. And I'll just chuck this on my head like so. It's a very stylish look. Okay, so by starting, I usually brush my fingers through it. I've already brushed it a few times. And then I grab like a thin chunk. Even though I have fine hair, I like to curl it quite well. So I use thin chunks. And I'm just using a curling wand today. It's called the New Evolution by Evalectric. It was quite expensive, but it holds my hair curl really well. So how I do it is usually I will wrap the curl from the top part, the closest part to my scalp, to like the bottom. And then leave it in for about 4 seconds. Depending on how thick I do, sometimes I do longer. So with that, I then just flip it over the back and I'll deal with it later. I add hairspray and stuff later on. So grab your section, wrap it around the curling iron. I don't always go directly to the bottom of the strands as well, because I kind of like it that it has like a little section that's not completely like ringlet curl. So that's that part done. And then I'll take the clip off, grab another section. This one will be probably more of the top back section. You can tell as well when your hair needs to be brushed through again, because like then I could feel it was kind of sticking together. Put that at the top and roll away from the face, and wind, away from the face. I sort of twist mine as well as I'm going around the hair, so it's not a perfectly flat like ringlet curl. So that's one side done. Usually then I'll just go in and spray with my RPR Hold Me Forever spray, just a little bit. Like inside and outside. And then I scrunch it up a little bit. There you go. And I'll just let that sit while I'm doing the other side. Brush this side out. And so this time we're curling away from the face again, but like in the opposite direction. So we're gonna go grab at the back, a back bottom section, And the rest of it we're going to go hair clip onto the head. And that's all for that side done. Always remember to turn off your lenses. And then just the same thing with this side. I'll spray it with my hairspray. And then just bunch it up a bit. I'm pretty messy with my hair. Pretty messy with most things. With curls though, my hair never used to hold anything because it's so fine and it's so straight. But for some reason this hair color works so well. It's the only thing that like my hair holds for like an extended period of time. Like I'll have curls in my hair until I wash it, but they'll turn more into waves over the next few days, obviously because I'm sleeping in it and pushing it down. I have also noticed as well, I've cut my hair recently, so they drop faster when you have shorter hair, or like I suppose maybe the drop just becomes more noticeable, but because of that as well, they don't last as well throughout the days. Usually I kind of just leave it like this for a little bit and then I brush it out with a comb, or sometimes I'll just leave it like this until I leave because I find the wind kind of fluffs it about and it always looks awesome when the wind plays with it. I'll be back. I'll go grab a hair comb and I'll brush it through. This is just a shower comb, you know, one of those detangling combs, but usually I'll just kind of brush it roughly through my hair and it just kind of becomes a little, sorry, I'm trying to like catch it, like bouncy, but it's like looser. It kind of, as well, it takes away the hardness of the hairspray because I'm brushing it out, I guess, but yeah, and then just bam. And that's how I curl my hair. I love having curls. It feels so girly and princessy. And it's very bouncy as well, which is a lot of fun, I think. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you later. Ooh, should probably heat up that. Ooh. Keep dropping it. Pretty sure. Oh. obviously. Ooh, my diffuser just turned on. Curl. That was like chunky ass. It's pretty great.